Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Everyone, how are you? I hope you are all very well by the mercy of Almighty Allah. And Alhamdulillah, I am also very well by the mercy of Almighty Allah. And today is the maybe day 36 or 35 of my English speaking practice video making journey. And after a long time break, I am come back again. Alhamdulillah for that. Allah give me this opportunity and I am able to do that. So I break my consistency, right? So this is the very wrong thing of me, and that is without any reason, without any objection, without any why, i'm I'm break my consistency, and I was stop my English speaking practice video making, and this is very bad thing for me, and I'm sorry for that. And from today I will make video in English every day, inshallah. Every day I will make video in English, and this is the promise now I'm doing with myself. So from today means today is a 7 August 2025. Inshallah, from today I will make video every day. If even it's 1 minute or 2 minute, doesn't care, but I have to make video every day, inshallah. So today I will talk about today I will talk about my previous day's experience. That day I do not make video in English. So every day I feel very bad. I feel very bad because I'm not able to making video in English. So it's it's because that I do not feel motivated. So that's why I'm cannot make video in English. And another reason is I am busy on researching Fiverr profile, Fiverr Geek, my Upwork account creation, and my LinkedIn profile creation. So something for some why, for something like that, I am not able to making video in English. And from today, inshallah, I will be able to continue make video in English. And thank you so much for watching this video and listening to me, and I hope you are all are keep going with your consistency. Everyone, please stay focused on your consistency. Without consistency you cannot make yourself perfect, right? So consistency is the key of success. Consistency is the key of your achievement. So if you want to achieve something big, you have to sacrifice something big, right? So for achieving something big, I accept sacrifice something of myself. So that was for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.